Hey folks, Ralf with Stray Benzes here. Today an episode about rear anti-sway bar links. They're made out of plastic and they create nifty clunking sounds coming from the rear end that are sometimes very mysterious and very difficult to track. And I'll show you how to get to it, and fortunately this is a super easy fix. Get 2 new links, and all you need is a couple of metric wrenches and you're in tip-top shape after you've jacked up, taken off the rear wheels and put it on a jack stand, change out the part. But without further ado, here we go.
So what I'm talking about is this plastic part that bolts onto the rear swing arm and the anti-sway bar. You have 2 nuts on it. Loosen them up, take it off, put the next one on. You might have to jack up both wheels because that anti-sway bar is going to put me under pressure if you only do one. But other than that, it's a very easy change. But those, for whatever reason, they did not use metal parts. But this part here, right here, is the one that wears out in the plastic joints up here and there, and that little bit of play creates a nasty knocking sound in the back that sometimes looks like it's coming from the rubber suspension parts here on the rear, but it is not.
Alright folks, that was another episode of Stray Benzes. Good luck. Keep the classic Benzes on the road. Give me a like. And until next time, take care. Bye.